Right, so you've set up your wires ready. You've got your two pieces of small wire already tinned, so you've got your resistor and your transistor. So you're going to join this wire to your LED light, and I should be able to just lay them next to each other, put in some temp heat from the soldering iron, and because they've already been tinned, that solder should join together. Whoop. Whoop. Not as easy as it looks sometimes. I'm going to use a bit of tape. So if you're finding it difficult to hold something in place, get a piece of masking tape, just a little bit, just so you can hold it, because if you try and do it with your fingers, you're going to end up getting burnt. So there's the two wires, one on top of each other. Make sure my soldering iron's still hot, and a little bit of solder. And they're soldered together. Take off my tape. That's that. Then I just need to solder the other end to this arm of the transistor. So I hold it up. Whoop. See if I can put it where you can see it. So I just tape that here so it holds it next to it, and add the soldering iron. Because you've tinned it, well, it's come unstuck. Right, so it's now next to each other. There we go. And if you're a bit concerned, you can add a little bit more solder. There you go. That's soldered together. So you've got your negative of your LED light joined to your transistor. Keep it away from that edge, because that's where you the game wire is going to go through. Then you're going to solder that positive wire to the positive wire of your other LED light. So I'm just going to hold it on there. Already tinned the wire, add a bit more solder. Make sure it's soldered together. That's it. Right, so that's joined together. You've got another join here, so we need to solder them together. You can just run. See how the tinning that we did before is just joining them nicely together. You've got two here that you folded on top of each other, so that's from your resistor to your negative LED light. Put a little bit more solder. So that's join done. So far all our joins are done that we have on the board. The last one is to your switch. So this is going to be soldered to the end part of your switch, which you've already tinned. So we'll heat that up. Set the wire there. So, whoop. Right, so wire's caught. Then we've just got to set this wire up down the bottom here in line with the transistor. The resistor. And we'll just tape that so it's in line with the resistor. Right. That's it. And a bit of solder. Run it along the edge. So that's now caught. So we've got all our wires that we need at the moment all joined together.